In today's video, we are going to show you how to see your transaction history in Exness. Whether you want to check your deposits, withdrawals, internal transfers, or even trading history, Exness makes it very easy to track everything directly from your dashboard. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do once you are logged in, you need to hover in the left side panel of your dashboard. There is the Payment and Wallet tab. Click the drop-down menu and there you go. You can simply click the Transaction History. Now, for example, if you only want to see the withdrawals from the last 30 days, click the filter, select the transaction type to withdrawal, and adjust the date filter. Now, click on any transaction to see more information. Unfortunately, in my account, I don't have any transaction history, but if you do, this is very useful if you need proof of payment or if you want to verify withdrawals or simply monitor your account activity. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to check the transaction history in Exness. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.